Hey guys, just want to make this quick little video this evening. I've been waiting on this phone to come in for probably about a month and a half now. Got a Blackberry Key One. Bought it brand new off of eBay. Wasn't too bad. It was like I think I paid like $250 for it. This is the 64 gig, 4 gigs of RAM model. This is the biggest model you can get for the Key One, and it's the black edition. So put that away. I wanted to get this just because I personally never had a BlackBerry, and I just wanted to get one to review, just to test out, and just try to see if I could use it as a daily driver, with it being such an old device. I was just really curious, to be honest. Set the phone here. Put that aside for a second. Alright, got your normal standard booklets, SIM ejector tool. Not gonna need any of the booklets because the device is so old. Got your official BlackBerry charger. Charging cable. Official BlackBerry earbuds, so that's pretty interesting. They definitely look like they would be pretty comfortable in the ear. So we got those. I'm gonna try to keep this packaging as neat as possible. I'm definitely not going to use this phone too heavily, just because I want to preserve the condition to be brand new. Ear tips. Because you never know, I'll probably end up either just keeping this as like a collector's item, or maybe selling it after some time. I'm not too sure. I always buy phones and sell phones pretty quickly, so. Got that. And I already took it out of the box just for a second, just to put in my Gmail. So I try to put this back on here, but you can see here everything's still brand new. Love that peel sound. Okay. Front of the device, absolutely beautiful. Sure. QWERTY keyboard, space bar. It's capacitive. See that it's also backlit. That's the back of the device here. Alright, this is a fully unlocked version as well. Still installing some of my apps here. Yeah, I'm really interested to see if it's able to keep up with everything I need to use it for. It's mainly just going to be like a communication device for emailing, texting. So this is my very first time ever using a BlackBerry. So you got calendar, looks like. Messages for your text messages. You can create tasks, contacts, and widgets. So you can add some widgets here. So let's just do Chromebook. Well, that didn't work out, huh? And it's definitely going to take a little bit to to get used to it for sure. Okay, so it's like you just like scroll through the widgets. It's interesting. It's like you can do all this without having to actually put it on your home screen. I guess that was the whole point of them making the BlackBerry hub and the test. What's that called? It's your clock. Let's do that. Can you arrange them? No, delete that, move that. Okay, you can rearrange them. Nice. Okay, you just swipe that away. So your keyboard shortcuts. How the dialer looks. I'm not going to set up BBM because that's not working. Skip the intro. Okay, so this is the hub right here. It collects all of your. I mean, I'm sure if you're watching this video, you're pretty familiar when it comes to BlackBerry, but for me, this is all brand new. So, collects all your, looks like text messages, call logs. I need to set up my Gmail and my general settings, default email account. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play around with all this. And once I do, I'll make another video once I get everything fully set up. But it's just basically just like an unboxing. I will be interested to see if this still works or not. Okay, so yeah, basically like your standard Android. Your widget packs. Exact same you saw earlier. Already got the clock. Let's go create a new message. Just want to see how the keyboard feels. It's gonna be so weird to try and use this as a daily driver. So that's cool. So you can hear that. You can hear the actual keys. sound really nice. And the space bar here. So whenever you actually turn the phone off, you go to unlock it, you'll see the actual space bar lights up. That's pretty cool. The actual space bar lights up. Just get right in. So it's a pretty quick fingerprint sensor in the space bar right here. Opens right up. Going on to your recent apps. So that's cool. So you can pull this taskbar out from anywhere on the device, wherever you're at. So that's pretty neat. Blackberry calendar. Pretty nice. But I'm gonna more than likely use the Google calendar. Everything Google, because obviously everything Blackberry is no longer anymore. Yeah, guys, I just want to do a quick little walkthrough on this phone. So it's really nice. Let me put this case on real quick, actually. Oh yeah, I got a case from Amazon. It was like $14, so it's pretty cheap. Cheap silicone case. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, so there's the case. It looks pretty nice in the phone, actually. So yeah, and guys, that's the phone. If you have any questions or if you have any anything you want to see on this actual device, yeah, I'm gonna take about a week with it just to really test it out and kind of break it in. So I will follow up with you guys. All right, thank you. Bye.